জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Nayan, go my child. Bring Deepu's belongings to this room. Go quickly.
Yes, yes, I'll get them right away. Right away.
Uncle, where are you going? Uncle, you please don't go anywhere. You can't leave this house and go away from here. Actually, the room you're staying in was the guest house earlier. But now, it is your room. Uncle, you please don't leave your room. Besides, I don't want you to go out of my sight.
What does he mean by not going out of his sight? Does Tripto suspect me? Has Nayan told Tripto everything? I can't understand what you are trying to say.
I'm saying that I love my uncle a lot. And I don't want to lose my uncle. So you have to be in front of my eyes. What's wrong, Uncle? Why do you look so pale? Aren't you happy to know that I don't want to lose you?
No, I have to change this topic somehow. Otherwise, I'll be in trouble. Tripto, you're pulling my leg, isn't it? My complexion is pale. Sanjukta, can I say something? I think we should make arrangements for Jasmine stay in Tripto's room. Come on, she also needs to settle down, right? Come on, Piku, let's go.
I will keep an eye on Uncle. And I will prove it to you that what you think about my uncle is absolutely wrong.
What's going on? Hey, listen. I am telling you. You know 𝐤𝐸 is going to suffer a lot.
Xiaomin.
Her name can't be just Jasmine. She's so thin. Her name is 𝐤𝐸. We need to get rid of her really soon, Nayan. We cannot let them both get married. You'll see, Nayan.
What are you saying? Sir gave her his room to stay. Didn't you see that?
Hey! Just to make you happy, Brother Tripto drove that girl out of his mother's room. He didn't let her stay there. Didn't you notice that? Brother Tripto did something so nice. You should say good things and praise him.
Do you think I didn't notice that? Of course I did.
Listen, I might look foolish, Nayan, but I understand everything. Okay, listen, we must not waste time. Let's arrange everything.
Lourdes, Please make sure everything goes well.
Sanjukta, I'm feeling worried now, you know. I get the feeling that very soon I might have to face some danger. The situation is going out of our hands, Sanjukta. Why did I cut the rope of the chandelier?
Will you just keep quiet? Will you? All of you will drive me crazy. Hey, get out of here. Get out. Please leave me alone. Just leave me alone, please. Deepu is slowly getting attracted towards that girl. I can't tolerate it. He's ignoring my decisions one after another. Deepu couldn't even take a step without consulting me, but today he has become so audacious. It's all because of that village girl. It's all because of that girl.
Sanjukta, calm down. Listen to me. I can understand you are feeling bad. You can't tolerate it. It's obvious to feel bad, Sanjukta. I can understand this. That's why I brought you from that room. In fact, I even told Piku that you're angry and asked him not to bother you. We siblings should discuss this important matter, right? Look, Sanjukta, I strongly have a feeling that Nayan has perhaps told Dripto about her suspicion. She has told him that I tried to make the chandelier fall on him. Didn't you see how Dripto was talking to me? Dripto loves me so much, but that girl has planted a seed of suspicion in his mind.
She has become too audacious. She has become too audacious. Through Jasmine, I will have to make Nayan sign those divorce papers. After that, I will throw her to a place from where she can never return.
Sir, I've brought your clothes and all the things you will need over here.
Give me the suitcase. I'll take that.
Grandma, the matter has settled. Dripto came at the right time and saved Kalpana mother's room from being captured by someone else. I don't know if anyone has noticed it, but Dripto is like a hero. I must admit it.
Rangana.
Haven't you noticed how Dripto enters at the right time? Just like a hero. Tell me, friend, am I right?
Rangana.
I have to keep the promise I made to my dad.
I hope you remember what Topabrata Basu wrote in his will.
If Dripto dies, his wife will get the property. Not until he's alive.
And so,
Dripto will have to die after the wedding. Dad was absolutely correct. Nayan is not as foolish as she looks. She played the major role in not letting me stay in this room. Mrs. Basu, now I'm able to understand. Why is it so difficult for you to get rid of this girl? I have to be more active. Yes. I'm sure you came back because of me, right? Otherwise, you had already left. Though late, Dripto, after all, you realized. I think you shouldn't have gone out today. Today is my first day here. So, I might need help. Am I right?
What is this, Dripto? What is 𝐤𝐕 saying? You came back because of 𝐤𝐕?
Excuse me? My name is Jasmine, not 𝐤𝐕.
No, Rangana, there's no such thing. Actually, I realized after leaving that I left my phone at home, hence I came back to take it.
It is on Lord's wish. Don't laugh, understood? Nothing is impossible without the Lord's will. Without the Lord's will, you cannot even tear a leaf, let alone break a relationship. Understand, 𝐤𝐕?
I want to kill this foolish.
Come on, it's no use getting angry. You cannot stand here. Since you have come to our house, you have to follow the norms of our house. First, you have to seek Lord's blessings and then you can enter your room. Understand? Come on, come fast. Grandma and aunt, why are you standing? You also come along. Let's take 𝐤𝐕 to seek Lord's blessing. Let's leave the couple alone for some time.
No, I will go after some time. I need to talk to Dripto.
Hey, listen. Can 𝐤𝐕 talk? No. Let's go and seek Lord's blessings. You will see Lord will give you a lot of blessings. Come along. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Let's be friends. Come on.
Impossible.
Nayan is keeping mom's photo with so much care. People install God's picture like this. Nayan says that you're in this room. Are you really in this room, Mom? You told me that you would never leave me and go. Have you really not left?
Mother, as long as I am here, I won't let you leave your room. If there is no Lord in a temple, it no longer remains a temple. Now the mother and son will stay together. You are so worried about him. Now you will be relieved a bit, Mother. Wait, let me go first.
Wait. You told me that mom was in this room. Is she here right now?
There she is. Mother is there.
Come on! Nothing will happen. Come on.
Oof. Rangana is such a foolish woman and equally irritating. Lord knows what she'll make me do in this prayer room.
Seek blessings.
What?
Seek Lord's blessings. This is our family norm. Right, Grandma? Or
Of course. Do you have a doubt? We must seek Lord's blessings.
do it? You can't do this sincerely either. You can't offer prayers sincerely either. Hey, listen. You will soon be this family's daughter-in-law. So you have to learn how the daughters-in-law offer prayers. We prostrate before law. Wait, I'll show you. Here. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh Lord. Did you watch me? I showed you how to do it. Now you do it.
Oh, I've gotten into trouble. This foolish woman is troubling me so much.
What happened? What are you thinking? What are you waiting for? I showed you. Now do it by yourself.
Impossible. I can't do it.
What? You can't even seek Lord's blessing.
No. I mean, my dress is very short. That's why.
Then why do you wear such dresses in which you can't seek Lord's blessings? Besides, this dress is not yours, right? This is a kid's dress. Hey, do you have a kid, right? You wore your kid's dress, right?
Jasmine, you are here? What happened, Mom? No, it's nothing. Rangana has brought her to seek Lord's blessings. Rangana has become too active nowadays. Don't be so active. I can tell Piku to send you to your maternal home for quite some days. I hope you know that.
She will send me to my maternal home. She knows nothing other than threatening people.
Come along, Jasmine. I've sent your stuff to Deepu's room. Come on.
There. Mother is there. Mother is standing there.
Where is mom? Where? There's no one there.
There she is. She is standing next to you. Look. Can't you see her?
Deepu can't see me, Nayan. Tell my son that I didn't leave him. I've kept my promise.
Where? There's no one there. Nan, you're lying to me. There's no one there.
I am not lying, sir. Mother is here. Do you know what she is saying? She's saying she has kept her promise. And she has never left you.